Rana. Good evening, everybody. So you all are welcome to the revision class of three chapters. Yes, so today we will revise three chapters altogether. And so the first chapter is elements, compound and mixture. Second one is atom, molecules and radicals. And third one is photosynthesis and respiration. So first chapters is of chemistry and the third one is from biology. Okay? Yes. So you all are welcome. Sherishinath, Ayushi Kumari, Asha. Asha is also joined. Very good, Aisha. So Anusha, Shambhavi, Mahibal, Ria. Very evening to all of you. So let's start question number one. The question number one is smallest unit of an element is. Smallest unit of an element is. Clear? Discuss in my video also. Smallest unit of element and smallest unit of compound. So like this, you can make difference and then you can learn and you can give the answer. So the correct answer is atom. Okay. Yes, very good. Ayushi, Adya, Nupur, Shambhavi, Sparsh, very nice. You all have given the answer. Atom is very good. Antara, very nice. So all have given the correct answer. And the correct answer is atom. So atom is the smallest unit of an element and molecule is the smallest unit of a compound. Now, the next question is question number two. In mammals, dash is found in red blood cells in hemoglobin. So, which element is present in red blood cells of uh, mammals? So, of course, correct answer is yes, send the answer fast. So, RBC, short form of red blood cells is what? RBC. Clear? And the correct answer is iron. Very good. So Ayushi Kumari, Shantana, Soumya, Sachi Goyal, Ankita, Rashmi, very nice. So you all have given the answer iron and iron is the correct answer. So in mammals, iron is found in red blood cells in hemoglobin. And because of this, the color of the blood cells is what? Red. Very good. Now, the next question is question number three. Elements that show some properties of metals and some properties of non-metals are called. Elements that show means in this type of elements, some properties of metals are present and some properties of non-metals are present. Okay, so you have to name the element. What is that element? And one clue I am giving. The clue is that the examples of this type of element is bismuth, antimony. Clear? Very good. I'm getting answer metalloid from many of you have given the answer metalloid. This is very nice. Very good. I think you all have given the correct answer because many of you are writing the same answer. So, of course, it is correct. So, let's check the answer. And the correct answer is metalloid. So, very good. Congratulations to all of you. Very nice that you all are giving the correct answer without making any mistake. And nobody has given the wrong answer. This is very important. Kaveri Sarkar has also joined. Babli Kiran has joined. Very good. Very nice. This is here. So, metalloid is the group of elements in which some properties of metals as well as some properties of non-metals present. And what are the examples of the metalloid? The examples of metalloid, antimony, bismuth. Yeah. So, they are the examples of a metalloid. So, I'm very happy that you all have given the correct answer. Now, very good. Now, the next question is question number 4. Compounds can be broken down into simpler substances by only dash means. Clear? Yes, very good. Antimony is the correct answer of that question. Anushka Shekhar, Ankita Roy, very good. Clear? Okay. So, compounds can be broken down into simpler substances by only dash means. Dash means what? It can physical means or chemical means. So, I've given the clue physical means or chemical means. So, you have to select the correct answer. And many of you have given answer chemical. Some of you are writing physical also. Physical means what? Physical means when there is no exchange of energy. Clear? Then this is called as what? Physical means. Physical change. Physical means no exchange of energy takes place. Neither energy get absorbed, nor energy get liberated. And chemical means there is exchange of energy. Okay, so Aishanas, you have given the answer iron of that question. Very good. So let's check the correct answer. Many of you have given chemical. Wow, very nice. So many of you have given the answer chemical, and the correct answer is chemical. So good congratulations to all of you, and please accept good clap from my side. Very nice. Yeah. So this is what? This is the chemical means. Means by chemical means we can break the components of the compound. The components of mixtures can be broken down. Means can be separated. Can be separated by physical means. But in compound, only by chemical means we can separate the components of the compound. Very good. Now, the next question is question number 5. Dash is an alloy of copper and zinc. Yes, dash is an alloy of copper and zinc. So, alloy means what? Alloy means is a alloy means it is a substance in which two or more substances combine together in what? In a homogeneous way. Yeah, that forms a homogeneous means two are present in the fixed ratio. So, two example of two alloy I'm giving you here, brass and bronze. So now this clue I have given, so you have to give the correct answer. And many of you are writing brass. Soumya, Anushka, Devi, Antara, Ayushi, Nupur, you all have given the answer brass. So, brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. So, let's check the answer. And the correct answer is brass. So, very good. Congratulations to all of you. Those who have given the answer brass. And brass is absolutely right answer. Wow, very nice. Now, the next question is then question number 6. Formation of mixtures dash involve any energy exchange. Means it does involve or does not involve. So I have discussed earlier also that in mixture there is what? In mixture there is no exchange of energy, and in compound there is exchange of energy, and that is why in compound we get a new substance. And in compound, when the formation of new substance occurs, then we cannot get the substance back. Clear? And we can separate the components only by the chemical means. Whereas in mixture, there is no formation of a new substance, there is no exchange of energy, and we don't get new substance. Clear? We don't get new substance. Even in mixtures, the ratio of the components are not fixed. Whereas in compound, the ratio of the components are fixed. And this is the basic difference between the mixture and the compound. Yes. Clear? So, formation of mixture dash involve an energy exchange. And many of you are writing don't, does not. So I hope you all are giving the correct answer. Very good, Anushka. You have given the sign of does not also. That's very nice. Okay, so let's check the answer. And the correct answer is does not. Wow, very nice. All of you have given, means only two, three girls have given answer wrong. They have written does. But the correct answer is does not. And I'm happy that many of you have given the correct answer. So please accept it. Clap from my side and thumbs up. Yeah? Please accept the thumbs up also from my side. Very good. So in mixture, there is no exchange of energy, means no involvement of exchange of energy takes place. Yeah? And you know, in mixture, we don't get a nuisance also. Okay? Now, and the best example of mixture, the mixture that you eat. I know you all love to eat mixture. It's very salty, very spicy, especially when the mixture is very spicy, very salty. Yeah? So that is the best example of the mixture, because in that many things are mixed there, but the ratio is not fixed. The components in that form, that mixture that you like to eat, in that the components, the ratio of the components are not fixed. Very good. Now the next question is question number 7. The process by which constituents of a mixture are set apart from one another to get pure substances is called. So what is that? What is the name of that method? Clear. So through which constituents of mixture are set apart from one another, so that we get what? Pure substances. And the correct answer is, I'm getting correct answer. So let's check the correct answer. The correct answer is separation. So through this, yes, very good. Antara, Babli, Ankita, Ananya, very good. Giving the correct answer, and the correct answer is separation. Clear? So with the process, with this process, means by the process of separation, what happens? The constituents of a mixture are set apart from one another, and we get pure substances. So very good. Congratulations to all of you. Now the next question is question number 8. Cream is separated from milk by means by which method? Okay. So there are many methods are there, like centrifugation, the chromatography, then the magnetic separation. Many methods are there. So here you have to answer that the cream is separated from milk by which method, by which process. And of course, cream and milk, they are what? When they mix together, they form the homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means what? Means you cannot easily differentiate. You cannot easily differentiate the components of the mixture. Clear? So when cream and milk mix together, then by which method we can separate cream from the milk? And many of you are giving the answer centrifugation. Yes, any different answer? No, I have not got till now any different answer. Centrifugation means you all have seen my video very nicely, and I know you all have given the correct answer. Anyway, so let's check the answer. And the answer is centrifugation. Very nice, very good. Rashmi Ranjan, Shantana, Anushka, Ananya, very nice. Education girl. Anya, very nice, good. So the correct answer is centrifugation. Yeah. Centrifugation is what? Centrifugation is the process that is used to separate the milk from, to separate the cream from the milk. Yeah, this is the process. Okay. So it is used to separate the mixture which is homogeneous. And I have told you that cream and milk, they are what? They form the homogeneous mixture. Now, the next question is question number 9. For separating pigments from natural colors, dash method is used. Yes, you have to name the method that is used to separate the pigments from the natural color. Clear? And the correct answer is, please give the correct answer fast. Okay? Yes, because this method is also used to, like when ink, components of ink are separated by this method. Clear? Because component of ink means what? Pigments from the natural colors. Clear? So this is one of the example of that method. Means this is one of the example. Um, in that also, this method is used. The method that you are, that is the answer of this question. So many of you are giving the answer chromatography. Chromatography, many of you are giving the answer chromatography. And you know, this is the process of separating different dissolved constituents of mixture by their adsorption on an appropriate material. And this method is called as what? Chromatography. Chromatography is very useful. It is used to separate the pigments from the natural colors. It is used to separate drugs from the blood also. And separating drug from the blood, this is the pathological test also. Here, that in the blood, which drug is present. Sometimes many reasons are there, like in players also, they use this method to check that have they taken any drug or not, to increase the power of their body. Yeah, and this method is also used to separate colors in a dye also. So now I'm 100% sure that your answer is correct. Anyway, let's check the answer what is feeded here. And the correct answer is chromatography. Yes. So chromatography is the method that is used to separate pigments from the natural colors. Yeah. And one advantage of chromatography, what is one advantage? Give one advantage of chromatography, that a very small quantity of the substance can be separated. Means it's not necessary that always the big quantity, very small quantity. If you will take from that also, you can separate the colors, you can separate the pigments, you can separate the dye that you want. You can separate the drug also from a little bit of sample. Okay, this is the advantage. Okay, now the next question is question number 10. Dash are negatively charged particles in an atom. Yes, this is very good. Dash are negatively charged particles in an atom. So please, you have to name the negatively charged particles. Yeah. So this is basically related with the radical, and you know there are two types of radicals. First, basic radical, and the second one is what? Acid radical. So basic radical have what charge? Positive charge, and they are also called as what? Cation. Whereas acid radicals have a negative charge, and they are what? They are called acid radical. So here the question is, dash are negatively charged particles in an atom. So when we talk about the atom, then three particles are basically there. First one is electron, second one is proton, and the third one is neutron. Yeah. So when we talk about an atom, then three basic particles are there: electron, proton, and neutron. So when we talk about the electron, then which charge is there? Negative. When we talk about the proton, positive. And when we talk about the neutron, then neutral. So here the correct answer, and many of you are giving the answer electron. Only two answer or three answer I have got positive, but the many of you have given the answer electron, and electron is absolutely correct answer. So electron is what? Electron is negatively charged particles in an atom. Very good. And in an atom, proton is water, positively charged particle. And if the question is that which one is the chargeless particle present in an atom, then the answer will be what? Neutron. Very good, very nice. Now, the next question is, the word atom comes from the word atomos, meaning, means the meaning of atomos is what? Here you have to give the answer that what is the meaning of atomos. Yeah. So atom is what? Atom is the smallest particle of an element that exhibits all the properties of that element, and it may or may not exist independently. And this is the basic difference between the atoms and the molecules, because the definition of atom and molecules are same. Only the difference is that atom may or may not exist independently, but molecules always occur what? Exist independently. So the correct answer of this word atmos means water. Block, what you're writing, block? Yes, indivisible. Correct answer is, and the correct answer is indivisible. Clear? So block is not the correct answer. The correct answer is indivisible, because we cannot divide it further. This is the smallest particle of an element. Okay, and it exhibits all the characteristics of that element. Like if we take the atom of sodium, means what? The smallest particle of sodium exhibits all the characteristics of water, sodium. Okay, so now the correct answer is indivisible. Now the next question is, dash particles are neutral but have one unit mass. Yes, very good. Just now I have discussed that. Yes, just now I have discussed that in an atom, three particles are there: electron, proton, and neutron. In this, electron is positively charged. Proton is electron is negatively charged. Sorry, electron is negatively charged. Proton is positively charged, and neutron is what? Chargeless. So now here you can give the answer very clearly, and I know you will give the correct answer. Okay. So the correct answer is neutron. Neutron. When you are giving the correct answer, when you are giving the answer neutron, so let's check the answer. And the correct answer is neutrons. Very nice, very good. I'm happy that all of you have given the correct answer. This is really very surprising and it's very good. I'm really very happy. Are you happy? My students, please show your happiness through emojis. Of course. And please accept my clap also. Congratulations. Very good. Thumbs up from my side. Please accept thumbs up from my side. Show your happiness that you are very happy because you have the correct answer and all answers. Many of you given all the answers correct. That is very nice. Very good. Happy. Nita is dancing, Ankita dancing, and Anna also. Very nice. Good. Nupur, yes, very good, Nupur. Clap. Sometimes not only teachers should clap for the students. Sometimes the students should clap for themselves, for themselves also. Because when you're clapping for yourself, means you are admiring yourself, you are appreciating yourself, and this is very important. Harmeet has joined. Very good, Harmeet, for dancing. Antara dancing. Very good, very good. Okay, now the next question is question number 13. Acid radicals have dash charge. Yes, just now I have discussed that when we talk about the radicals, two type of radicals there, basic radical and acid radical. Yeah, and on the basis of presence of what charge, the radicals are divided into two types: basic and acid. Okay? So basic radicals have positive charge and they are called cations, and acid radicals, I'm not going to disclose the answer, but I can tell you that acid radicals are also called as anions. And the examples of acid radicals are chloride, then bicarbonate, carbonate, then hydroxide. They all are what? Acid radicals. Means in this you will find the negative charge. So negative. And here the correct answer is negative. Some of you have given positive. No, positive is wrong answer. The correct answer is negative. Okay. So acid radicals have negative charge and they are also called as anions. And examples are what? Examples are iodide, oxide, nitride, bisulfate. Yeah. So bisulfite, they are what? They are acid radicals, they are anions. And cations, give the examples of cations. Cations are what? Cations, they are positively charged. Examples like we can say that all metals are what? All metals are cations. All metals are basic radicals. And all non-metals are what? Acid radicals. So examples of basic radicals, it can be hydrogen, it can be sodium, then ammonium, zinc, here, iron, copper, they all are what? They all are metals and they all are basic radicals. They have the positive charge and they are also called as cations. Okay. So now the next question is question number 14. If an element exhibits two different positive valencies, then suffix us is used for dash valencies. Yes. So when an element exhibits two different valencies, clear, I'm not talking about the positive and the negative. I'm simply talking about the when element exhibits two different valencies, then such type of valency is called as variable valency. Clear? So such type of valency is called as variable valency, means where they have such elements have more than one valency. Clear? Yes. And the examples of variable valencies, elements with the variable valencies are what? Like iron, copper. Okay. So here it is asked about the us, and I'm going to tell you about the it. So when the element causes what more positive valencies then suffix us. If an element exhibits two different positive valencies, then suffix us is asked here, and I'm going to tell you about the ik. So when we use the suffix ik is used for the higher valency. The ik is used for the more valency. Clear? Like simple example is iron and copper. I've given here. You can see. So suppose copper has valency 1 and 2. So when valency 1 is there, this is what? Lower valency. And when valency 2 is there, then 2 is what? Higher valency. And for higher valency, we use the suffix ik. So correct answer is, let's check the correct answer, and the correct answer is lower. Yes, the correct answer is lower. Means if an element exhibits two different positive valencies, then suffix us is used for lower valency and suffix ik is used for higher valency. Very good. So many of you have given the correct answer. Very nice. This is very good. This indicates that you all are really studying. You are not wasting your time and you are getting the thorough knowledge. This knowledge is very important, and this knowledge will only help any person, any students. Here, this knowledge is very good because when the students are getting more and more knowledge, means getting more and more confidence and more knowledge and confidence, this is very helpful for the success in the life. Very good. Rashri, Sparsh, they are very happy. Very good. Very nice. I'm also very happy that you all are getting good, correct answer. This is very good. I'm very, very happy. So now, next, let's see the next question. And the question number 15 is, the vertical columns of the periodic table are called. Yes, periodic table. Periodic table is what? It is a tabular arrangement of this is a tabular arrangement of element on the basis of their properties. Clear? So it is a tabular arrangement of elements on the basis of their properties. Clear? and periods are there, groups are there, horizontal rows are there, vertical columns are there. So when we talk about the vertical columns, then it is called as groups. So, but when we talk about the horizontal rows, then it is called as what? Then it is called as periods. So here the question is the vertical columns of the periodic table are called, and many of you have given the answer group. Very good. I think your answer is correct. So let's check the answer that is stated here, and the correct answer is groups. Very good. Many of you have given the answer groups. Yeah. So the horizontal rows of the periodic table are called periods, and the vertical columns of the periodic table are called groups. Very good. Now the next question is question number 16. In water, one atom of oxygen combines with dash atoms of hydrogen. In water, one atom of oxygen combines with dash atoms of hydrogen. So you know the formula of water. What is the formula of water? Yes, you can see on the screen. This is the formula of water. Hmm? So yes, the formula of water is H2O. This is the chemical equation. This is not a balanced chemical equation. When you will balance, you will get what here? 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Clear? So here 2, you can write to balance. Here also 2, writing here. Yes, so this is the balanced chemical equation for the formation of water. So now from the formula you can see and you can say the answer and you know the answer. The correct answer is yes. Many of you have given the answer to correct. Yeah, very nice. So the correct answer is 2. So the formula of water is what? H2O means 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Very good. So Kaveri Sarika, Sparsh, Ayushi, Ananya, Anushka, Shantana, Rashri all have given the correct answer. This is very nice. Very good. Now, the next question is question number 17. In ammonia gas, one atom of nitrogen combines with dash atom of hydrogen. So the formula of ammonia is what? I'm writing here the equation that how we get the ammonia. Yes, so this is the equation N2 plus H2 gives what? NH3, and this is the balanced equation 2NH3. So whenever you are going to write any exam, before that, if you go through this video, it will help you a lot. So it's my advice that before writing any exam, whether it is a school exam or class exam or any kind of competitive exam like Olympiad, or if many examinations are there like NTSC and this all. So if you are writing this exam, clear, if you are going to write before that, you please go through this video. It will help you to attempt more and more questions. So because not only we are discussing only the question and answer, with this question I am discussing the topic also. Means once again I revised chapters with you. So please go through this video before the exam. And in ammonia gas, one atom of nitrogen combines with dash atom of hydrogen. So NH3. So here how many atoms of nitrogen? 1. And how many atoms of hydrogen? 3. So the correct answer is 3. And yes, very good. So many of you have given the answer 3. And when we write the formula, we don't use the small letter. We use the capital letter, capital N, capital H. Okay. Now, the next question is question number 18. Valency of elements dash from 1 to 4 and then again dash to 1. Means here you have to fill the term increasing, decreasing, decreasing, increasing means increasing and decreasing. This word you have to fill here. So, valency of elements dash means increases or decreases from 1 to 4, and then again decreasing or increasing, just you have to fill. Clear? So, correct answer you have to fill here. Hmm? Yes, this is very important that when you give the answer, means what? You have the basic concept, and this basic concept is clear to you. Because if basic concept is not clear, of course you cannot give the correct answer. Okay, so yes, you all write the answer. Should I comment the answer? Means how many of you in the answer? Corresponds. No, not the word corresponds. Corresponds word is not here. I've given the clue. You have to fill decreases and or increases word. Clear. But where increases word and where decreases word, that you have to send. So, hmm, valency of elements dash from 1 to 4 and then again dash to 1. So let's check the answer. And the correct answer is increases and decreases. Means valency of elements increases from 1 to 4 and then again decreases to 1. Okay. Now the next, so you all just revise, see, enjoy. मैं आती हूँ. I'm going to take a glass of water. Okay, so students, I'm back because continuously if you're speaking, what happened? Your throat get rough, and you need something to lubricate it. Clear? Anyway, so now we were discussing question number 18. Valency of elements. Yes, increases from 1 to 4 and then again decreases to 1. Very good. Now the next question is question number 19. The combining capacity of inert gases is, yes. Before this, let's discuss that what is this combining capacity? The combining capacity means what? Valency. Yeah, very good. So the combining capacity of an element is called its valency. Means here you have to give the answer. Here you have to give the answer that what is the valency of inert gases. See, the question is little bit, I have twisted the question. I could have written that what is the valency of inert gases. But with one question, I'm giving you, yes, I'm giving you two questions, giving you the basic concept of that. What is this combining capacity? So combining capacity is valency. Clear? And inert gases. What is inert gases here? Inert gas means the gases which are not, yes, which are reactive in nature. They are called as inert gases. Clear? Means they don't react with any other element. And there are six inert gases. So I have written the name of these six gases. So the first one is helium, He. Second one is neon, Ne. Third one is argon. Fourth one is krypton, xenon, and radon. They all are what? Inert gases. Inert gases are also called as noble gases. Clear? Inert gases are also called as noble gases and they are not reactive in nature. So, what is the combining capacity? Yes, many of you have given the answer 0. So let's check the answer. Yeah, the correct answer is 0. Absolutely correct. Very good, Babli. Do not react with other elements. Yes, they do not react with any other elements. That is why they are called as noble gases, and another name is what? Inert gases. Okay, and their valency is 0 because they don't react with anyone. They do not combine with anyone. So their valency is what? 0. Now, the next question is question number 20. Ca3N2 means this is what? What is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? And one more thing that uh, what is the means from this formula we can find the valency of calcium also and we can find the valency of nitrogen also. So the valency of calcium is what here? 2 and valency of nitrogen is what here? 3. How we got the valency of these elements from this compound? Yes, through the method criss-cross method. Yeah. So whenever any compound, any formula is written, you can find the valency of the water component element by which method? Criss-cross method. So here the valency of calcium is 3 and valency of calcium is 2 and valency of nitrogen is 3. Anyway, now come to the question that Ca3N2 is. What is this? The Ananya, very good Ananya. Ankita has also given the correct answer. Ananya Singh 1 has given correct answer. Very good. So not calcium nitrate, calcium nitride. Yeah. So the correct answer is calcium nitride. Nitrate means NO3 is there. So NO3 is not there. Yes, Ca3N2 means calcium nitride. So be careful. That is why I have underlined this nitride word. Because with calcium, you don't make mistake. But in case of nitride, some of you have written nitrate, some of you have written nitrite, EE, but actually it is nitride, not calcium nitrite, not calcium nitrate, calcium nitride. So the formula of nitrate is what? NO3. NO3 is represented by the chemical name Ca3 calcium nitride. Okay, then the correct person, Ayushi, Shantana, they all have answered. Clap from please accepted. Good clap from my side. Very nice. Calcium and nitride. If you will write like this, calcium and nitride, it will be wrong. You have to write together calcium nitride as I have written here. Okay. Now, next. The next question is question number 21. So before discussing the answer of question number 21, please send me your marks. Okay? Out of 20, how many of you have got 20? So this chemistry question is over. So I want to see that how many of you have got full marks. 20 upon 20. Ayushi has got 18. Very good, Ayushi. Not bad. So if you are getting 18, 19, and 20, this is very good. Ankita has got 20. Very good. Anushka has got 18. Wow. Very nice. Soumya has also got 18. Antara has got 20. Wow. Very nice. Kaveri has got 19. Babli Kiran has got what? 20. That is very good. Very good. Congratulations to all of you, those who have got 18, 19, and 20 because you are giving the answer very fast. So I'm sure you're not getting time to see the book. and my students are very honest, very hardworking. So thank you very much, and good congratulations to all of you. Harmeet has got 19, very good. So good congratulations to all of you, clear, for giving the correct answer and for getting full marks and good marks. Okay, so now let's discuss the answer of question number 21. Photosynthesis occurs in the dash cells of the leaf. Yes. So in the leaf, which cell is present? In that photosynthesis occurs. You know, photosynthesis is very important for the plants, not only for the plants, even for the whole living world. Photosynthesis is very important. Directly or indirectly, we all are, means all living organisms are depending on plants for food. Clear? So, which cells present in the leaf in which photosynthesis occurs? Many of you have started. Rashi Sinha, very good. Rashi, Ankita, Rashmi, mesophil. So many of you have given the answer mesophil means photosynthesis occurs in the mesophil cells of the leaf. Is correct. Mesophil is the correct answer. Thank you very much. And good, very good. I'm happy that you all have given the correct answer. And I'm happy that you all are really studying, you are working hard. Mesopotamia, what is this Mesopotamia, Yoshi Kumari? Mesophil. By mistake, you must have written Mesopotamia. In bio, in science, history is there. Anyway, so mesophil is the correct answer. Okay? Not meso. Meso word is something else. Mesophil is something else. So mesophil is the correct answer. Okay? So photosynthesis occurs in the mesophil cells of the leaf. Now, the next question is the entire process of photosynthesis occurs inside the dash of the leaf. Means inside the dash of the leaf means inside the leaf, mesophyll cells are present, and in the mesophyll cells also some plastids are present. That in that only the photosynthesis occurs. So you have to name that the entire process of photosynthesis actually where occurs. Means it occurs inside the dash of the leaf. Means what? So, because photosynthesis is very important, and of course, you should know that where it occurs, which part of the, if it is occurring in mesophyll cells, then inside the mesophyll cells also something is there. In that photosynthesis occurs chloroplast. Wow, I'm getting that attached. Really, I really want, I'm putting this word chloroplast because when we talk about the photosynthesis means chloroplast, chlorophyll word is there, chloroplast is there. So the entire process of photosynthesis occurs inside the chloroplast of the leaf. And where this chloroplast is present? This chloroplast is present in the mesophyll cell, and mesophyll cell is present in the leaf. Clear? The connection is clear, students? Yeah. So once again, photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast present in the mesophyll, and mesophyll present in the leaf. So very good. So those who have given the correct answer, those who have given the answer chloroplast, I think you must be waiting that whether your answer is right or wrong. So let's check the answer, and the answer is chloroplast. This is very good. So those who have given the answer chloroplast, it is absolutely correct. And congratulations to all of you, those who have given this correct answer. Okay. So now, next question is: stomata are surrounded by a pair of bean-shaped cells called dash cells. So of course, stomata is the opening, and these are what pores-like structures present on the under surface of the leaf, and it is very helpful in exchange of the gases. The main work of stomata is to exchange gases from the leaf to the surrounding. Clear? So that stomata is surrounded by a pair of bean-shaped cells. And what is that bean-shaped cells are called? Very good. Many of you are giving the answer guard cells. Okay. I hope your answer is correct. So, According to you, stomata are surrounded by a pair of bean-shaped cells called guard cells. I hope you all have given the correct answer. And these guard cells, let's check the answer first. Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. It is guard cells. So this guard cells, help a lot in opening and closing of the stomata. Okay, so when stomata has to open, then the guard cells get contract. So when guard cells contract, then the stomata get open. Okay? And when the guard cells relax, become flaccid, then the stomata get closed. So like this, the stomata works and guard cells help in closing and opening the stomata. Very good. Hamid Kaur, very nice. You all are happy. I'm also happy to see that my students are happy. Yes. So now the next question is question number 24. If the temperature is low, there will be dash photosynthesis, even if sufficient amount of carbon dioxide and sunlight are present. So for the photosynthesis, three factors are very important: temperature, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. And if any of the factor is absent, then photosynthesis will get affected. Clear? So if more carbon dioxide is there, then also it is not good. And when very less amount of carbon dioxide is there, then also it is not good. Same way happen with the sunlight also. If sunlight is present, photosynthesis occurs. When sunlight is not there, photosynthesis not occur. Then temperature. This temperature is also very important. When the temperature is what? Temperature affect. When the temperature is very high, it affects the photosynthesis. So here you all have given the answer less. Okay, means according to you, if temperature is low, there will be less photosynthesis, even if sufficient amount of carbon dioxide and sunlight are present. Yeah. So many of you have given the answer less. I hope you have given the correct answer. So amount of means the amount of temperature also affect the photosynthesis. Clear? And if it is less, then of course means if the temperature is low, then of course the photosynthesis will be less. So let's check the answer, and the correct answer is less. So very good. Those who have given the correct answer, correct answer is less. Means if temperature is low, there will be less photosynthesis even if sufficient amount of carbon dioxide and sunlight are present. Now, the next question is question number 25. What are the two end products of photosynthesis? Yes. So photosynthesis is what? Photosynthesis is very important for the water, for the ecosystem, for the living organism. So what are the two end products of photosynthesis? So let's check the answer. And the first product is what? Glucose. And the second product is oxygen. Glucose means what? Sugar. Okay? The sugar is what? The glucose is the simplest form of sugar, and it is utilized by the cells. And what this is the one of the very important end product of photosynthesis. Yeah. When more amount of glucose is there, then it get transformed into starch, which is insoluble, and it get stored. And when there is a need of glucose, then again this starch converted into glucose, and it is utilized by the plant body. The second one is oxygen. Oxygen is very important. We all means all living organisms take oxygen and give out carbon dioxide gas, and that carbon dioxide gas taken by the plants to prepare the food. Like this, the percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide get balanced in the atmosphere, isn't it? Okay. So I'm telling you, before writing any exam, please go through this video again and again to get the questions, to get the basics of the topic, to get the correct answers. Yes. Yes, the correct formula of glucose is C6H12O6. For education world, you have given the correct answer. The correct formula is C6H12O6. Publication has also given correct formula. Very nice. Now, the next question is question number 26. In the process of photosynthesis, several molecules of glucose join together to form insoluble dash for temporary storage in the leaf. Just now we discussed that when more amount of glucose is there, then what happens? It get stored, and it get stored in which form? In an insoluble form. But what is the name of that chemical? That sugar. What is the name of that? Yes, that is the name of that is what? Starch. Starch is insoluble. Clear? So it gets stored, and when plants need more food, clear? So that time this starch is again converted back into the glucose and then utilized by the plant body. Very good, Ayushi, Rashishina, Ananya. Very nice. You all have given the correct answer, and the correct answer is this. Harmeet Kaur has also given correct answer. Very good, Harmeet. Kaveri, Devi, very nice, Devi. So you all have given correct answer. It is starch. Yeah? So glucose is soluble in water, but starch is not soluble. This is what? Insoluble. It gets stored in the leaf. Okay. Now, next. Next question. Question number 27. Although most leaves are green, some have white or yellow patches on them. Such leaves are called dash leaves. So generally what we say, what we see, that the leaves are green in color. When you have to draw also, then you draw green color, leaf with the green color. But sometimes you must have seen in the garden that some leaves are not exactly green. You find yellow or white patches on them. So that type of leaves are called as what? Yes, I'm not going to disclose the answer now. So you please give the answer. Of course, these questions, I have really worked for these questions so that you can get good knowledge. And this knowledge will help you for the Olympiad also, for any kind of school examination. So I'm not getting the answer till now, so please give the answer fast. And the correct answer is, you can see, yes, some are what the part I have colored here, green. It is green. So basically, when it comes to draw leaf and then color it, then usually we color with water, green. But sometimes you must have seen yellow and white patches are also there. Okay, so you can see like this. Variegated leaves. Very nice. Very good. Ayushi Kumari, Ananya, Antara, Anushka Shekhar. Very nice. Variegated leaves. Yes, yes. So now I have done also the diagram. You can see. So variegated leaves, and the example of the variegated leaves is what? Coleus. What is the spelling? Coleus. Clear? So spelling of this coleus is what? Coleus. Coleus. This is what? This is the what? Variegated leaves. Clear? Very good. Yeah, Ayushi. Very good. Very correct answer you have given. Now, the next question is question number 28. Which gas is given out during photosynthesis? This question is very easy, but generally students make mistake. Yes, because when it comes, no, this type of question comes, they give the answer and that is wrong. So you all don't make mistake and give the correct answer. Which gas is given out during photosynthesis? So when we talk about the photosynthesis, which gas? Just now we have discussed the two end products of photosynthesis, and out of two, one carbon dioxide. देखो दिया गलत आंसर. गलत आंसर. ऑक्सीजन है सही आंसर. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज रॉन्ग आंसर. Which gas is given out during photosynthesis? Yes, and just what I was talking, you made the mistake. Two, three girls have, two, three students have made mistake. Carbon dioxide, they have given the answer, but that is absolutely wrong. The correct answer is oxygen. Yes. So, which which gas is given out during photosynthesis? Oxygen gas is given out during photosynthesis. They utilize carbon dioxide gas. They don't give out. They take in carbon dioxide gas. That is very important for the process of photosynthesis, because in the absence of carbon dioxide, photosynthesis do not occur. So be careful. Those who have given the correct answer, means those who have given the wrong answer, please be careful next time. If this question comes in the exam, please give the correct answer. Now mark the correct option. Very good, Harmeet. You have given the correct answer. You are very happy. Okay. So next is question number 9. The amount of energy released in anaerobic respiration is anaerobic respiration. When we talk about the anaerobic respiration, then means what? Means respiration that occurs in the absence of oxygen. And on the basis of presence or absence of oxygen, there are two types of respiration: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So respiration which takes place in the presence of oxygen, they are called as aerobic respiration, and the respiration which takes place in the absence of oxygen, they are called as anaerobic respiration. Clear? So there are many differences between the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration and aerobic respiration, food completely broken down, whereas in anaerobic respiration, food partially broken down. In respiration, what happens? Carbon dioxide and water are formed, whereas in anaerobic respiration, ethanol or lactic acid. So ethanol is formed in plants, and whereas lactic acid is present in what formed in animals, and then what carbon dioxide are formed. Clear? So this is the difference between the aerobic and anaerobic respiration, and one difference is in the form of a question. So many of you have given the answer 2 ATP. Absolutely correct or not? I'm not going to disclose now. So the amount of energy released in anaerobic respiration is, and the answer is 2 ATP. Very good, 2 ATP. But what about the aerobic respiration? In aerobic respiration, 38 ATP molecules of energy released. The difference between the aerobic and anaerobic. The aerobic respiration, 38 ATP is released, whereas in anaerobic respiration, 2 ATP energy is released. Here. Now, the next question is, and this is the last question. So, I hope you all are enjoying. See, two, three students have left. Really, those who have not left, those who are still with me, really, please accept my thumbs up, my blessings, my good clap. Clear? Clear? And accept my gratitude also. This is very important, and it is not easy to study for 1 hour. It is not so easy. Yeah? Now, if some of you left, some of the students have left. Imagine I have prepared this. How much time it took, and check my patience. So the same patience I want to see in my students. Clear? So those who are still with me, good congratulations and God bless you all. So name the process which is opposite to photosynthesis, and many of you are giving respiration. So many of you are giving the answer respiration. So difference means they are just opposite. Photosynthesis and respiration, you are saying opposite. I hope you have given the correct answer. So let's check the answer, and the correct answer is respiration. Very nice. So they are opposite to each other. Of course, when they are opposite, there is some differences also. So in photosynthesis, food is what synthesized, whereas in respiration, food is broken down. Okay? In photosynthesis, what happens? Photosynthesis occurs during the daytime only, but respiration occurs in day and night both time. Clear? Day and night both. Photosynthesis occurs only in the chlorophyll, means chloroplast. Clear? but respiration occurs in all the cells of both plants and animals. In photosynthesis, oxygen is released as a byproduct, whereas in respiration, carbon dioxide gas is released as a byproduct. So please send me your marks. Let me see how many are there. 30. Yeah, very good. Addiction World, Bubbly Kiran. Then who else? Ankita has got. They all have got 30 upon 30. Ananya 5 has got 30 upon 30. Many have got 28 and 29. Harmeet has got 29. Rashri and Nupur has got 28. Very good. All the best for your exam. Before exam, once again, please see the video. It will be very helpful to you all. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.